Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Queen Kiss the Moon, chapter 79. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Shangyi, and one thing, the two of them feels awkward and trying to avoid. Well, we can see that everyone is coming inside, but the two of them are really in awkward situation. We can see they easily avoid each other. Why don't you put in another test paper? You guys here, it seems teacher Shang is adapting quite well. Well, shouldn't you be in the law firm? How did you end up here? Shangyi, she's keep asking the two of them. Just call me one thing. This isn't the place to talk about. If you need, let's talk to the meeting room. Okay, I do have something I need to trouble you with. Well, it seems that the situation it's really getting tougher. The law firm got a new case. The fast has 2 days. Well, a well-known front cafe with a personal studio and even made $1 million profit from it. So there's a problem with it. However, it's difficult to determine the scope of plagiarism in clothing design, so we'd like to trouble you to take a look. Isn't the style of clothes? It's all beautiful. Now, it makes sense since it was concerned about her. In fact, it's quite obvious, although caffeine is almost become a default rule in the current clothing market. It's a good thing for the market that some people are willing to take it seriously and investigate. Send me this manuscript and I'll mark a similarities for you later to see if I can help. Thank you so much. How about we grab a bite to eat together when you're done? Well, it seems that the four of them are going on the date. Well, the last time of us to eat together was on a film set. Let's go. There's a pretty good restaurant nearby. Well, we can eat on that. It seems that everything is gonna be fine. Teacher Tang, social media popular now, and many designers are creating celebrity styling charts and blacklists. Why don't you try it? See, it's getting quite popular. Well, it seems that a good idea. No, no. Two nobles should try to piggyback onto this. Teacher Tang have some way. Well, it seems that the four of them are talking so much and teasing each other. Well, we can see that. Then you can give me your feedback on my OOTD today. It's a private server with no ads. One thing, just been asked by Shangyi. Well, it makes sense, right? Shangyi, she seems to be in the mood. One thing, she moved closer. Your modeling authority is like this. No matter what, how you wear it, it will be not be a blacklist. One thing said to her. Now, it makes sense. Her practically conscientious advocate. Let me see your phone later and want to see if you're the one of my biggest fans in the super topic. Shangyi, she's been dissing one thing. I only tell you the truth. Now, it makes sense. You two, they're still filming over there. Well, they really feel shameful at this moment. These two girls, they really don't care about the things, even though the film is really rolling. They can easily talk and express about their feelings. It's my fault. I spoiled my feeling too much, and I love to force them all the time. Well, a friend. Now, it makes sense, right? Well, let's solve. Everything will be fine. It's perfectly normal for good friends to pick each other and drive off and get off work, right? Well, Shangyi said to her. Now, is she going to purposely teasing her in front of the cam? Well, it seems that it was not gonna happen, but just say it. Look at them. They casually teasing each other in front of everyone. Well, the things, it's really getting complicated. Although, they seems to be having fun. Why don't we think this kind of game of tug of war back then? Well, then go back of being a friends and keep filing up at me. It's time to eat. Now it makes sense, of course. She don't want to be a friend status. Well, after eating, looking at the four of them, they have on each other's way. Well, enjoying this thing. It's that how calculated then. It's me who's in love, one thing at a time, human relationship and so on. So you see, you really aren't willing to suffer even slightest loss. After knowing each other for so many years, why are you still surprised? Now, knock it off. These two, they're really having commotion. Well, the film, still rolling. Thank you for your hard work, everyone. Now, finally, the crew team will go home. Well, this is the end of the filming, but still, they really film well, even though on the dinner. It makes sense, right? Sister, there's another microphone here, so it turns out the microphone is still on, so everyone can hear that, right? Probably. Well, this is really getting crazy. Suddenly realizing things. What a beautiful sunset. Well, we can see that she older calmed down, but still, everything is a little bit of hazy. Since shooting a live show, well, of course, it must be really exhausting for the four of them. What a beautiful sunset. All she can said. Well, at this moment, she was taking a photo of the sunset. It seems that she looks really happy about that. Well, these two sisters, Xiaoying, you're so beautiful. Now, it makes sense. They're really in love with each other. Well, we can see that everything seems to be well, but everything seems to be right. A perfect time until she kissed her gently. Well, since there's no one filming, of course, they really can't do anything about it. But what's gonna happen? They're still on public. What if someone can see them? Is this a favor to me? That's all for now. I'm no longer playing the role. I just want to kiss you. No reasons needed. No, she's being honest towards her. Well, this is really crazy. They're really madly in love with each other. We can see that. Then, I want to kiss you too. She moved closer to her. Well, this time, Shirley can tell her about her true feelings. Since there's no more camera, she kissed her gently. But why? Why suddenly? There's a photo of the two of them. Do you think someone is taking a picture? Well, let's hope there's no one. It's still, they really can be ruined. If anyone can see that, let's see what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.